So guys, an absolutely crazy day for the Quant QNT price, because right now Quant QNT is just flying towards the upside. It is ripping through $150, and yeah, the entire crypto altcoin market is just moving sideways. By the way, Bitcoin is dumping, but Quant remains strong right here and is just ripping through. It's flying to the upside, and this is just goes to show that Quant QNT doesn't tend to follow the traditional or the altcoin market's price action. It doesn't follow Bitcoin's price action, but it tends to move on its own. And while the entire altcoin market is moving sideways, essentially, that's when Quant usually makes a move. So we have seen this happen in the bear market. Quant has pumped during the bear market while all of the coins were dumping to the downside. And right now, it looks like Quant has waken up right here and is ripping through towards the upside. So we have a lot to talk about in today's video. And without wasting any more of your time, no more intros, we're going to jump straight into the charts right now, starting in the daily time frame. So yeah, if you guys remembered in my previous video, I have actually gave out two important levels to look out for. The first level was resistance at around $147. I actually gave out a warning to, of course, look out for this, because we could see the Quant price get rejected. If we do touch resistance right here, we could see a pullback from here towards the downside back to support at $131. But right now it looks like we're breaking through and we are ripping through resistance at $147, which is absolutely bullish right here. And if we do see Quant get to close the daily candle above resistance, then we're going to be flipping this to support right here, which is absolutely insane. So yeah, right now I'm waiting for confirmation, and the confirmation is we should see the Quant daily candle have a close, all right, have a close above resistance. Because if we do close below resistance, we could still see the Quant price move back down and have a pullback towards support at $131. But if we do close the daily candle above resistance at $147, we could see Quant have a retest of previous resistance, flip it to support, and move towards the upside to our next target, which is the next major resistance zone. And this ranges from $176 until $195. So this is the next target if we do see the Quant price close the daily candle above resistance at $147. So very interesting price action right now. And if you do move into the weekly, it looks like Quant QNT is truly waking up right here. We have already marked it looks like we have already bottomed out right here at $84, and since then we have moved up from there. We have also marked this zone right here as a strong psychological support zone a couple of videos ago. So yeah, very interesting price action. But right now, let us move into the 4-hourly time frame. Yes, we are also moving to the upside, and keep in mind that the Quant price tends to respect the VWAP. So you guys can see several green candles in a row, and then we return back to the VWAP, and then we have pumped to the upside from there. So if we do see a pullback for the Quant price, I'm expecting again the VWAP to support the price. But for now, again, like I've said, everything in the shorter 4-hourly time frame, in the longer daily and weekly time frame, the Quant price action looks very bullish. We're just ripping through these resistances right here, and it looks like we're going to be approaching the next target, which is $176 very soon. And lastly, I have another announcement. If we do see Quant in the coming weeks break above resistance at $195 and flip it to support, there is no more major resistances left except for the all-time high we have right here. So yes, and if we do break above resistance at $196, we could just immediately teleport towards the all-time high, and that would be very insane right here. So just be warned. Again, if we do see Quant close the daily candle below resistance at $147, we could see a pullback down towards $131. But again, the bullish case is if we do see Quant QNT close the daily candle above resistance at $147. We could just flip it to support, have a retest, and then move towards our next resistance at $176. So that is the quick update I have for Quant QNT. Drop a like, subscribe, and all of my links are in the description. Thanks for watching.